Refeeds versus cheat day. When dieting for some time, people often develop the urge to binge on foods they wish they could have more of. Cheat days sometimes lead to eating more than you're supposed to, which can delay progress towards your goal. Refeeds are commonly known as a controlled cheat day. Having a refeed tends to reduce the urge to binge and relieve the stress of long-term dieting. During a refeed, an individual consumes their maintenance level of calories or more, which can allow them to eat more food without gaining fat. It is typical to see an increase in weight after a refeed, but it should return back to normal 1 to 2 days after continuing to diet. The strategy of a refeed is to increase your consumption of carbs for the day while keeping your fat and protein the same. It is beneficial to have a refeed when you experience a consistent decrease in training performance, extreme low levels of energy, or simply as a reward for being consistent with your goal. Incorporating a refeed every week or two during a long-term diet can help avoid any plateaus while trying to burn fat. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.